Introducing TransPet's premium 63mm PET can range, the smart solution for modern packaging.
PET can is a unique combination of PET jars, aluminium pull-tab lid, plastic lids, or reuse.
We offer a wide range of PET jars, available in various sizes, starting from 100 ml and going up to 600 ml. These jars are ideal for packing a variety of products such as pickles, dry fruits, cookies, snacks, chocolates, and mouth fresheners. They are also perfect for spices, herbs, and other dry food items. Whether you are looking for compact packaging or bulk storage, we have the right size for your product. Each jar is designed to suit different packaging needs and looks great on shelves. Explore our full range and find the perfect fit for your brand. Choose the right size and pack it the smart way.
Please pause the video and take a moment to read the key features and advantages of our products.
Choose smart. Choose strong. Choose TransPet PET cans. DM us today for samples or orders.